Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Jara B, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Hi. Tonight, this is Friday night. I'm here at home. I'm chilling. I'm relaxing. Got me a little drink. Let me show y'all what I'm drinking. This comes from Aldi. Good Belly Probiotic. It's a juice drink for people with bad bellies such as myself. So I love probiotic. Anything that help keep this gut of mine healthy. Which I think I was drinking. Anyway, this video is a what's in my bag video on this Coach zip top tote in the color gold khaki. And I must say that I have really been enjoying carrying this bag. I've been in her for about 3 days now. And if you guys have been following me for any amount of time, I always say that I am generally not a tote carrying type of girl. I'm more of a satchel or a backpack. But this is the perfect size for me. I am going to put the size of this tote somewhere on the screen, okay? So let's get right into what's inside of her. But first, let me show you guys a 360. So here's the front, and then I decided to adorn her with this leather tassel that I have for sale. If you're interested in this tassel, you can contact me 2 ways, and I'll list those ways down in my description box. So I just tied on this leather tassel charm with a hair tie, y'all. Y'all see that? I just made it work. And then I kept the Coach charm on the outside of it there. So here's the side, here's the back. No outside pockets whatsoever. Here's the other side, and then here's the bottom. No feet. Okay, the straps are a perfect, I think this is about almost a 10-inch shoulder strap drop here, which is perfect for me. It's about 10 or 11 inches. The straps surprisingly do not cut into my shoulder. It's a very comfortable carry. It passes the elbow test, as you can see here. No problem. Gold zipper here on the top. And then I did add a little charm to the zipper pull here. Like you can see here, it's a little strawberry. I just think it's so cute. I got this from Shein. So I am no longer a Shein virgin, y'all. So I made my first Shein order about less than a month ago. And I got it in the my order in the mail a couple of weeks ago. So let's get right inside. And then this is what she looks like on the inside. Okay, here she is. So we'll start with the pockets. So there is a slip pocket at the back, and then on the front of the bag there is 2 slip pockets. So the back, I have my phone, and I have my AirPods. There's a fly here, you guys, that we've been trying to kill for about the past hour. It's a big fly too, and it's fast. So yeah, that's why I'm looking over here to the side. I just saw it fly over there. Shoe fly. Anyway, all right, moving on. So the slip pocket, one of the slip pockets up front, I have some Kleenex. I have a perfume I've been trying to get through. This is Jimmy Choo Fever. The other slip pocket now, I have this Hemp's buttercream birthday cake lotion right here that I'm in love with. I like it so much that I went ahead and bought the larger size bottle. What is it, like a 26 or 20 ounce bottle? I love this. It smells so vanilla-y, gourmand, sweet scent. So if you do not like gourmand or sweet scents, you will not like this lotion. I love it. I have 3 lippies. I have a lip gloss from NYX. It's the butter gloss in strawberry cheesecake. EOS lip balm, and my MAC lip gloss in the color Explicit. So that is all that I have in the front and back pocket. So in the main compartment, I have my eyeglass case. Not eyeglass case. This is my mask case. A baggie that I have cotton nail wipes and some wet ones. And then I have the boxed mini boxy cosmetic case in gold khaki. You see here. And then I attached a little charm to it here that I purchased from Shein. And then in the inside of here is just my usual stuff that I have in all of my what's in my bags. Some dental floss, pills, my face cloth that I pat my face with, some earbuds, and I did want to show you guys this too, this product, which I love. These are some lubricant eye drops from Kroger. It took me a minute to get used to these eye drops because the formula is kind of thick. It's thicker than Visine formula. So I really like this stuff right here. It's very comforting, and it also, in my opinion, helps take away redness from tired eyes. And then I have some my Tide stick to go, Band-Aids and lens wipes, things of that nature. So that is all that I have in this mini boxy cosmetic case. Then I have, this is the medium corner zip wallet in the gold and khaki from Coach. And I decided to attach another little charm to the zipper here. So you open it up, it looks like this. And the back side, you unzip it, and I have some coupons in here and a receipt from TJ Maxx and a receipt from Marshalls. So that is all that I have in this wallet. Next, this is my Coach coin purse here, the round coin purse. Looks like that. And I am using this for my coins. Next, I have my Coach eyeglass case in the gold khaki color. Looks like that. Then I have my Coach Trigger Snap bag charm in gold khaki. I have my keys and my pepper spray attached to it there. Lighter. Then I have some keys that belong to family members' residence. Then I have some mints and some gum in here. This came with some little round mints. I ate them all and I like the case, and so I put in here some gum and some mints. because y'all, I've been trying to stop eating chocolate because the last couple of candy pouches I had chocolate, so that can bother my stomach a little bit. And yeah, I gotta stop eating the chocolate. Last but not least is my pocket knife. This one is kind of new to me. I don't really like it because it's hard for me to open. It took me some practice to learn how to open this one. It opens like that. It has like more of a stiletto blade on it. So yeah, the reason why I don't like it is because the safety mechanism, it just like when you go to use it, it just wants to automatically close like this. So I have to kind of like hold it here at the top and then take care of my business. I mostly use this to open up mail, y'all. I just use it like an envelope opener, just open up mail and maybe some packages or something like that. But yeah, this is my newest piece. Right, so that is all that I have in the bag. Right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching what was in my bag. So I want to say to you guys, thanks so much for watching and thanks for subscribing to my channel. I highly appreciate it. So until next time, stay safe out there. Bye.